Welcome to the coding part of this video of K-means clustering. Hello everyone, welcome back and good morning to you all. Yes, we're going to be starting the coding part of the K-means clustering. Up till now, what we have learned is that K-means clustering is a clustering algorithm and it uses the elbow method to find out the accurate or the correct number of K. So first of all, to start this code, we will always be starting with the EDA process. So we're going to import pandas as PD. We're going to read the CSV file using pd.read underscore CSV and perform the EDA. Means data.head, data.shape, data.isNull.sum, and print data.columns. And as you can see, we have our output, which is satisfaction and loyalty. This is about a customer segmentation process. It's a market segmentation. So the data is unlabeled, so we don't know that which market earns more profit, but we can still apply some clustering method on our data set and be able to cluster them in different types of market. And this is why we have the customer satisfaction and the loyalty level. So now we're going to go ahead and make the graph or plot the graph using the k-means clustering with matplotlib.ple. So first of all, we're going to import from sklearn.cluster import k-means. This is our syntax of importing the k-means library. So now after that, we're going to import the matplotlib.pyplot as plt. What we're going to do now, we are going to create an empty list. Clusters is equal to brackets, which have nothing inside them because it's an empty list. Now we're going to make an elbow curve or plot an elbow curve for 10 clusters. So for I in range 1 to 11. Why are we not writing till 10? Because in Python, whenever we're doing the iteration loop or the forever or the for loop, the last number is always executed. So k-means is equal to k-means and clusters I init k-means with 2 plus random state 0. This is the code of having the k-means algorithm to get functioning or to get active. Now k-means.fit data. So this line was to store the algorithm inside this variable. So that's why this is our short form. So k-means is dot fit data. Now we're asking k-means or the k-means clustering algorithm to fit the data. And then we're going to append it. Append means to add. And k-means dot inertia. This is also an algorithm or a syntax. Now what we're going to do, we are going to plot. So plt.plot is equal to range 1 to 11 clusters. So 10 clusters. Now the title will be elbow method, x label will be k, while y label will be inertia. Then we're going to show. And if you check out your result, this will be your output. This is our elbow method, this is inertia, this is k, and the sudden drop is at 2. So my prediction is that our k means or the k is actually 2. So now we're going to load k-means. So k-means is equal to k-means dot clusters init k-means 2 plus random state 0. So again we're loading k-means. Now we're going to train the model. So k-means dot fit data and find the centroid. So centroid is equal to k-means dot cluster underscore centroid underscore. This is a syntax to find the centroid. And cluster underscore new is equal to data.copy. So we're copying it. Then we're going to predict cluster underscore new is new cluster pred, which means that we're predicting what might the new cluster be or what point will it belong to or the group. Now we're going to plot the new clusters and the centroids to show the plot. So PLD.scatter is cluster underscore new satisfaction, cluster underscore new loyalty, and C cluster new cluster pred, CMAP, rainbow. So what this code is over here is to like to have the X label, to have the Y label, and to say the computer that we have satisfaction and loyalty, and we have a new cluster then, and our C map, which means what color do we want is going to be rainbow. Now we're going to scatter the centroid with column comma 0. Then centroid column comma 1 is equal to color black. So the new centroids or the point will be in black. Now X labeled satisfaction while Y label is loyalty. And for satisfaction and loyalty, CMAP or the computer will give any color from the rainbow. And now we're going to PLD.show. And this is our output. As you can see, red is satisfaction, while blue or purple is loyalty. Now the black point is the new point which we are going to assign it in our cluster. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, then you probably must have checked out my other previous videos too. If you didn't, then go ahead and do it right now. I'll see you next time in the new topic.